Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to edit Shopify website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see, this is my Shopify website and now I'm going to editing this site. So for that I'm going to my Shopify admin panel and clicking on online store and now clicking on customize. And now I'm going to selecting header and I want to replace this text with my logo. Here you can see the logo image, so I'm clicking on select image and I'm clicking on upload an image. And I'm selecting my logo. So here you can see the logo has been updated. And now I'm going to changing the text here. So I'm clicking on image banner and I'm giving here and heading size. I'm going to selecting a large and I'm going to changing these details text, so I'm clicking here. And the same way we can change the buttons. So this is how we can edit our Shopify website.
If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.